Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting hardware and software ready, connect the eye tracker, and install drivers. Once done, reboot so firmware updates apply, then launch Euro Truck Simulator 2. Make sure you enable controller input and the in-game calibration option. Position the tracker 50 to 70 cm from your eyes with soft frontal light. This reduces glare. You should sit naturally, shoulders relaxed. If the device asks for permission, allow it, because the next step depends on a clean calibration. You now perform precise calibration. Follow each target steadily until the tracker reports good accuracy. Once calibration is accepted, open your control mapping. Map eye gaze zones to head look, glance left/right, and quick menu toggles. Assign short keybinds for fallback. Adjust smoothing and sensitivity. Start at 10 to 30% smoothing so movements are stable but responsive. Make sure to test in a short drive, refine dead zones, and repeat calibration if any edge areas are jittery. You finish by testing in a short route. Check that head look and quick glances behave predictably during turns and lane changes. Once comfortable, tweak sensitivity and dead zones and save a profile per truck or camera angle. If you notice drift or jitter, recalibrate immediately. Make sure lighting is even and not behind you, and update tracker drivers. Finally, keep a keyboard fallback for menus. This combination gives reliable tracking and a smoother Ets2 driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.